Red Magic 10 Pro series is a cutting-edge gaming smartphone that blends speed, power, and innovation, setting a new standard in mobile gaming technology. Built for those who demand nothing less than excellence, this device offers an exceptional gaming and multitasking experience. This time, the new Red Magic 10 Pro series has also ushered in a comprehensive evolution, with eye-catching upgrades in screen, battery life, performance, and other aspects. The strongest gaming flagship of the year is well-deserved. The Red Magic 10 Pro and 10 Pro Plus are powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC. This octa-core processor is combined with the Adreno 830 GPU, LPDDR5X RAM, and UFS 4.0 Pro storage, which delivers top-of-the-line performance. To further optimize performance, Red Magic has developed the Red Core R3 gaming chip, which supports 2K plus 120 FPS super resolution and super frame concurrency, compatible with over 200 games. The Red Magic 10 Pro series runs on Red Magic's AI OS 10.0, based on Android 15. The software is tailored for gaming, offering features that enhance responsiveness and reduce input lag, optimizing the gaming experience. The Red Magic 10 Pro series features a 6.85 inches, 1.5K OLED Wukong display co-developed with BOE, providing a 21688 x 1216 resolution and a 95.3% screen-to-body ratio on a whole-free, full-screen design. It supports up to 144 Hz refresh rate and a touch sampling rate of 960 Hz for smooth gameplay. The display reaches a peak brightness of 2000 nits, covers 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, and offers 10-bit color depth. Additionally, it includes DC dimming and two 592 Hz PWM dimming for eye comfort. The camera setup includes a 50-megapixel OmniVision OV50E40 primary sensor with an f1.88 aperture and OIS, along with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens with a 120-degree field of view and a 2-megapixel macro sensor for close-up shots. On the front, it comes with a 16-megapixel under-display OmniVision camera, which promises better selfies and video quality through AI under-screen camera technology. In terms of power, the 10 Pro Plus features a 750 mAh Bull Demon King silicon carbon battery, supporting 120 watts fast charging, allowing it to reach 50% in just 11 minutes and a full charge in 30 minutes. The standard 10 Pro model comes with a slightly smaller 6500 mAh battery and 80-watt fast charging. The device features high-performance additions like 520 Hz gaming shoulder keys, X-axis linear motors, DTS ultra stereo speakers, and NFC for access cards and smart card keys. It retains a 3.5mm audio jack, a rare inclusion in flagships. The Red Magic 10 Pro series optimizes gaming performance with composite liquid metal cooling, offering 80-watt immediate thermal conductivity and a new Hot Wheels centrifugal fan, boosting cooling efficiency by 13x. It includes a 12,000mm square 3D ice step VC area, complemented by graphene, high-conductivity copper foil, and aerospace-grade materials for consistent high-performance gaming. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.